Hey folks, welcome back. If you're a business owner, maybe you've got an LLC or you're a sole proprietor and you're making decent money, there's a really good chance you're paying more in taxes than you need to. Today I want to talk to you about the S-Corp election and how it can potentially save you thousands of dollars every single year. So here's the deal. When you're self-employed, you pay self-employment tax on all of your net profit. That's Social Security and Medicare tax combined, about 15.3% right off the top before you even get to the income tax. So if you're making $100,000 in profit, there's over $15,000 just in self-employment tax that you're incurring every year. Now here's where the S-Corp comes in. When your business is taxed as an S-Corp, you pay yourself a reasonable salary, and you only pay payroll taxes on that salary, not on the entire profit. The rest of the profit passes through to you as a distribution, which is not subject to self-employment tax. Let me give you a quick example. Say your business makes $150,000 in profit each year. As a sole proprietor or standard LLC, you're paying self-employment tax on all of that amount. But as an S-Corp, you might pay yourself a salary of say $70,000. You pay payroll taxes on that $70,000, but the remaining $80,000 comes to you as a distribution, no self-employment tax. That's a savings of over $12,000 every year. Now, before you run out and file that S-Corp election, there are some things to consider. You have to pay yourself a reasonable salary. The IRS is watching for people who try to game this by paying themselves too little. I've had some people come to me paying themselves $10,000 and then they wonder why they're being audited. You'll also have additional costs, payroll processing, potentially higher accounting fees, and more paperwork. So the S-Corp strategy really starts to make sense when your business is consistently profitable, usually somewhere around $40,000 to $50,000 in net profit or more, depending on your situation. And timing matters too. If you want S-Corp status for this year, there's a deadline, typically March 15th for existing businesses, though there are some late election relief options available. So the S-Corp election isn't for everyone, but for a lot of business owners, it's one of the most powerful tax saving tools out there. Most people, when they come to me for tax planning, this is the first thing I look at. Talk to your tax advisor to run the numbers for your specific situation and see if it makes sense for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.